2021 Chevrolet Equinox compression test. I'm starting this video a little late, but we're going to run back through all the 4 cylinders. Testing cylinder number 3. Cylinder number 2 was dead. Let's get the results on this cylinder here. Alright. Cylinder number 3 showing consistent with cylinder number 1. Roughly 190 to 200 PSI on the compression. That's good compression. Alright, we are tapped into cylinder number 4. Gauge is at 0. Let's go for a reading. Let's see what we got. All right, that's consistent with cylinder number 1 and 3. So 4, 3, and 1 has compression. This is a little low, but I'm sure if I do the roundup equation, and basically I compare the variation of all 4 cylinders, this will be in spec. This isn't much concerning. All right, we're gonna go do cylinder number 1, then we're gonna come back and check cylinder number 2. All right, got cylinder 1 tapped in. Compression gauge is at 0. Let's rotate the engine and see what we get. Breaking in. All right. All right. Good there. Let's see what we got. This one did give us a reading of about 190 to 200. That's it right there. All right, it was this second cylinder that was concerning. That's good pressure there. Okay, we're tapped into cylinder number 2. Compression gauge is at 0. We tapped in there. We are tight. Rotate the engine. All right, I believe that's rotated long enough to get us a reading. Cut the car off, save some power. Make sure these lights aren't gonna kill the battery here. And there you go. It's your problem right there. Number 2. 0 PSI, no pressure to release. Dead cylinder. Number 2 cylinder dead.